नाम दफा टाइगर रिजर्व और उसी में क्या है, देयर इज अ फ्लाइंग स्क्वायरल फाउंड ओनली इन द नाम दफा टाइगर रिजर्व। अंडरस्टूड इट? आइडिया हो चुका है? I said that Malabar civet, I said that it is considered to be the one of the world's rarest mammal. It is endemic to India and was first reported from Travancore, Kerala. It is a nocturnal in nature, found exclusive in the Western Ghat, especially in the habitat is wooded plains and hill slopes of evergreen forest. So, कहाँ पर रहेगा? Hill slopes of evergreen forest के अंदर में, and Western Ghat, and especially it is what? Travancore region of Malabar coast, and it is evergreen forest. Understood? Another, I said that there is two types of what is a rhinoceros, which has been also, it is critically endangered, but in India it has been finished. First it is, I am talking about Sumatran rhinoceros, and it is the smallest and most endangered of the 5 rhinoceros species. आप लोग को एक बार पिछले करंट अफेयर के क्लासेस में कुछ मैंने बताया था. And is now thought to be regionally extinct in India, though it once occurred in the foothills of the Himalayas and northeast India. And it has been, the Sumatran is finished from India. Clear? But, and from the, it is in a पहले critically endangered में था, recently it has been extinct. Javan rhinoceros is also believed to be extinct in the India. Only a small number survive in Java and Vietnam. Understood? So which hog we have seen? Pygmy hog, Andaman white tooth sea, Jankin Andaman spiny shrew, and Nicobar white-tailed shrew. Then there we have seen Pondana rat, Elvira rat or large rock rat, Namdafa flying squirrel, Malabar civet, and then Sumatran rhinoceros and Java rhinoceros. जो याद हो चुका है लिख लें इसके बारे में. And write down where they are. Sonai Rupai region is famous for? Reintroduced pygmy hog in 2009 in Manas Biosphere Reserve. Hello. They are living in which kind of grassland? Tall, Tarai grassland. Tarai region जानते हैं ना? Bhabar and Tarai. जहाँ पे stream again reappear in the Bhabar when the comet disappeared, and then Tarai region again reappeared. The tall grasses of Tarai along the foothills of Himalayas. Clear? Nocturnal and they are facing threats due to tsunami, extreme weather condition, और इसकी वजह से क्या होता है? वाटर लॉगिंग, एंड वाटर लॉगिंग causes destruction of its habitat. All these are facing the habitat loss due to natural cause. But pygmy hog is facing problem due to encroachment. Clear? Kondana rat, and a large rock rat. Both are in the tropical and subtropical deciduous forest. Clear? And squirrel species में only special squirrel species, it is flying squirrel नाम दफा, flying squirrel. Clear? And it is what? Malabar civet along the Western Ghat, evergreen forest. And flying squirrel is also semi-evergreen and evergreen. Clear? And thereafter we have seen Sumatran rhinoceros, finished, and another is a Javan rhinoceros out of 5, finished in India, but it is existing in Java and Vietnam. Understood?